Good morning, guys. Today it's Tuesday, so that means B&I. I'm sitting here at the light getting ready to go to my meeting. Just wanted to say good morning, and I'll let you know how the morning goes. Usually I can walk away with a referral or a job, so I'll keep you posted. Hey guys, B&I went really well today. It's nice to always get in front of other business owners, see their struggles, their asks, their wants. Kind of as I alluded to, I kind of come out of every B&I with some type of job or referral, and this week is no exception. I've got another guy in the group that they sell copiers, and they need some little promotional flyers, so we're going to get together sometime this week to discuss that and get that going for them. The nice thing is I think I will also be able to sell them stickers that they can put on their copiers to show who they're serviced by, so hopefully it'll turn into some more work. As a side note with B&I, the goal is not to just get referrals from other people in the group. It's great that that can happen, but the goal is to expand your network, and so that's exactly what I'm doing, is growing and expanding my network. So B&I was good this week. We'll see if we can get the job closed. I'm headed back home to help the wife with the kids. Before that, I do have to go install that vinyl that I mentioned to you last night. I'm going to go show Salesman Bob how to get that installed. And I did forget to get the tripod, so we might not get much footage. We'll see. All right, so it's 11 o'clock now. We got all that vinyl installed at 11 this morning. It's 11 p.m. now. And I didn't record any of it. So not having a tripod and trying to show Bob how to do it, just didn't have the ability to film it for you, so I apologize for that. I typically use what's called the hinge method. So if you were to have a square here, then I'll put a piece of tape down the center, fold it back, peel the backer off, install it, etc. So I'll see if I can get some footage of that at another time. So make sure you guys remind me that you would like to see that video. As far as what's going on today, I am editing a couple of videos for the vlog. So I've got one from before the baby that I didn't get done, and then yesterday, and then today's video. So we'll get that done, and we'll get all these going and queued so you guys can follow along with the journey. I teased, I believe yesterday, building a shop, and I sat down and talked with my wife about the numbers today, and I don't think it's going to happen just yet. I do have a few more quotes that I'm still going to get, and I'm still going to get all the information. I just don't know for sure if I'm going to pull the trigger. So hopefully I can kick it into high gear and get a bunch of sales so that I can make it happen. But it may be that I end up framing off the one car and or putting up like a tarp or something. We'll see. It's still kind of tentative, but I do need more space to work. So I'm going to get a little bit more work done tonight here on the computer, and I will follow up with you before I head out. All right, guys, I'm calling it a wrap tonight. I was able to send some postcard designs to a customer for approval, a pricing board to a customer for approval. Someone else, we turned a Bitmoji from an iPhone into a vector image so that they could print it and put it around different places. So I sent that to them. Just waiting to hear back on sizes for that. Let's see what else we did. We ordered some business cards that we designed the other day from one of our outsourced partners. Got that order placed. Also did some business cards for a different company, sent them the designs. I also sent another idea to Penji to have them design a different version in case he doesn't like the one that I put together. I also submitted a t-shirt design to Penji I have the logo in vector already, but they want it to just be a single layer of white, and the design that they have is quite complicated, so I'm going to have Penji just do that to make it simple. And then I'm also having Penji do a bill of landing, something for car transport people. So they're designing a form for me for that. So it's nice to have a little team, even though it's not a big one. It's a good help to do projects that I don't want to, have time to, or have sometimes the skill to do. Again, I'm going to call it a night. I will finish editing this video as soon as we get done. So 12:40 now, I'll probably be headed to bed about 1:15. So almost the 2 o'clock club. So thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to like the video and stay subscribed, and share the video with a friend. Have a good one.